What was our goal during that game? What was your goal? To get your lifesaver from your toothpick in the very beginning to the person at the very end toothpick, right? Okay, so let's figure out, was that a smart goal? Do you think it was a smart goal?
No.
Why not? Well, let's figure it out. Was it specific? Yeah, it was pretty specific, right? Because we wanted the toothpick to get all the way from one person's lifesaver all the way to the last person in the row. So that was a pretty specific goal. Was it measurable?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you know it was measurable?
Well, you know when it is.
Because you could figure out when it was done. That's exactly right. Good. Okay, so what about attainable and realistic? Was it attainable and was it realistic?
Yeah.
And why was that?
Because you were trying to read, so you were trying to get the lifesaver complete.
Exactly, and so you did it, right? Everybody ended up finishing. All three teams finished what they were supposed to do, so it was obviously realistic, and it was achievable. And last but not least, was it timely?
Yeah.
Good. Well, how was it timely? How was it timely?
Because we had to count it right before the end of the class.
Okay, good. Yeah, you had to get finished first, right? The team that won was the team that got finished first. So obviously you had a time attached to it because you wanted to be the fastest, right?
You were like the third.
Very good. Very good, very good. Well, that's really it for SMART goals. But really the thing is, no matter what your goal is in life, SMART goal, like I said, that's just an acronym that will help you, no matter what your goal is, it will help you to be able to look at that and be like, and say, is your goal SMART? Is your goal SMART? You want to go to vet school? Do you want to be a vet? Is that right? What are some of your other goals?
I want to join the Army.
Join the Army? Good. What's your goal? You want to be a firefighter? Anybody else? What's your goal? What do you want to be? You don't know yet? That's okay. That's okay, but whenever you figure out what you want to be, you can look at the SMART goal criteria and see if it meets it. So all of those things that you want to do.
The words stand like the letters. Like
Exactly, yes. Specific stands for S. Measurable stands for M. Exactly. M is for measurable. Very good. Very good. That's exactly right. You just figured that one out?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. It's just an acronym. So no matter what your goal is, you can look at the SMART criteria and figure out what it is, how it meets that SMART criteria. Because it's important that we set goals, and it's important that they meet that criteria. That way we'll be able to reach them in the most efficient way, right? Good. Okay, so what are the three things that we talked about today?
Character, SMART goals, and the emblem.
Very good. Character, SMART goals, and the FFA emblem. Very good. So what did we learn about the FFA emblem? Just briefly. The 6 parts. Exactly. We learned all 6 parts and what each of those meant. We learned corn was unity, right? What's the rising sun?
Well, it started a new day.
Yeah, very good. What's the owl?
The owl was
Very good. What about the cloud?
The cloud was
Hard work.
Labor, hard work, tillage of the soil. Very good. What about the cross section of corn?
the cross. Yeah, it was growing all unity. Yeah,
exactly. Our common interest in agriculture unity. And the last one was the words. What did the words mean? What were the words? Very good, very good. And that then the agriculture SFA was an integral part, which just means it was a very important part of agricultural education. Very good, very good. What do we learn about character?
Character is
show what the person's like.
It's how you're known.
How you're known, what you're going to be known for, because all of those, the rest of the things that you're known for, they won't always be there, right? So it's important that we have good character. What are some really good character traits that we can have? Generosity. Generosity.
Honesty.
Honesty. Truthfulness. Truthfulness. Trustworthy. Sharing. Very good. Very good. All of those things are really good, important parts of our character. Excellent. Excellent. And what else did we learn about SMART goals? Let's call them out one more time.
Specific.
Very good. Very good. And what is that? What does SMART goal mean? What are you going to do with that acronym? How would you use that acronym? You're going to apply, see if your goals apply and meet those requirements, right? Whatever your goal may be, you can apply to that, and that will just help you remember how to set a specific goal. Very good. Very good. So, well, thank you so much for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Me and Trey will be glad to answer them. It was so much fun to be here today, and I enjoyed meeting you guys. If you're not members of the FFA, I would encourage you guys to do so, because it's always good to be members of FFA. First of all, you're going to have a lot of friends in FFA. You're going to be able to do all these competitions and career development events. You can meet people from all over the state of Florida and even the nation. You get to hang out with Miss Barber, which is probably the best part of FFA, at least in Malone. So, if you guys are not in FFA now, join. If you want to join next year, do that. Definitely join sometime because it'll be well worth it. You'll meet so many new people and you'll be glad you did. Okay? Does anybody have any questions? None at all?